Welcome to Machine Solutions, where we bring you closer to the incredible world of logging, wood processing, and industrial machinery. Today's video takes you on a full journey, beginning in the forest with powerful harvesters, moving through timber handling, and ending inside modern sawmills where logs are turned into precise lumber. You'll see legendary machines in action, learn how they shape the forestry industry, and gain insights into the craftsmanship behind the wood products we all use every day. Let's dive into this fascinating process. Our journey starts deep in the forest, where the Pon Cobra harvester demonstrates the very first step of the timber supply chain, tree felling. The Cobra is a mid-sized harvester, part of the Pon lineup that has earned worldwide recognition for reliability and versatility. It is designed to work efficiently in varying conditions, from dense thickets to selective logging operations. Notice how the Cobra moves gracefully across uneven ground. Equipped with a strong 6- or 8-wheel chassis, it combines stability with maneuverability. The heart of the machine is its harvester head, capable of gripping a standing tree, cutting it at the base, and then feeding it through rollers to remove branches and cut it into measured logs. This entire operation, which once required teams of lumberjacks, is now done in seconds. The onboard computer allows operators to preset log lengths according to demand, whether pulpwood, saw logs, or specialty timber. This makes the harvesting not only efficient, but also precise, reducing waste. For forest owners, contractors, and wood processors, precision matters. It ensures that every cubic foot of timber is used in the best way possible. The Pon Cobra also reflects how modern forestry aims to balance productivity with sustainability. Its wide tires reduce soil compaction, protecting forest ecosystems. Operators sit in ergonomic cabins designed for long shifts, surrounded by controls that make handling the harvester head feel almost like using a video game joystick. From an industry perspective, machines like the Cobra are essential. The forestry sector supplies raw material for countless industries: construction, furniture, paper, and energy. Without reliable harvesting machines, the supply chain would slow, affecting everything from home building to the books we read. As we watch the Cobra transform towering trees into neatly stacked logs, we are witnessing the foundation of a process that connects forests to factories, and eventually to the homes we live in. Once trees are felled and cut into logs, the next step is transport. Here we see the Timberjack 810B, a forwarder designed to carry wood from the harvesting site to roadside landings, where trucks can haul it away. This particular machine is fitted with a log-lift 9.5-meter hydraulic crane, giving it the reach and strength needed to handle heavy logs with ease. The Timberjack 810B was developed with rugged forestry conditions in mind. Forwarders like this play a crucial role in ensuring harvested timber is moved efficiently, minimizing delays in the supply chain. Look closely at how the crane operates. With precise control, the operator grabs each log, lifts it smoothly, and stacks it neatly on the bunk. Every motion is deliberate, balancing power with accuracy. What makes this process so impressive is not just the machine's strength, but also the operator's skill. Handling a crane requires hand-eye coordination and a deep understanding of log placement to maximize load capacity while keeping everything stable. Poor loading could mean lost time, fuel, and even dangerous tipping. But in skilled hands, the Timberjack becomes a seamless extension of the operator. Forwarders like the 810B are also built for endurance. Equipped with powerful diesel engines, they can haul several tons of timber per trip. Wide, articulated frames allow them to snake through dense forests, while flotation tires minimize ground damage, a crucial factor in sustainable forestry practices. For viewers interested in the broader picture, it's worth noting that transporting timber is one of the costliest steps in the supply chain. Studies suggest that up to 40% of the delivered cost of wood comes from transportation. Machines like the Timberjack 810B directly impact this cost by maximizing payload and minimizing trips. This stage of the process connects directly to sawmills and wood factories. Without reliable forwarding, logs wouldn't reach mills on time, causing production delays. That's why the Timberjack 810B and its peers are regarded as the workhorses of the industry. As we watch this forwarder stack its load, imagine the next steps. These logs will soon leave the forest, heading toward industrial facilities where they'll be cut, processed, and transformed into usable timber. What begins as a freshly harvested tree in the forest is now on its way to becoming flooring, beams, or furniture that could last for generations. Before we leave the forest, let's enjoy a brief look at the Timberjack 810B on the move. Riding this forwarder is a unique experience. It combines the rugged feel of heavy machinery with surprising smoothness, thanks to its articulated steering and suspension. For operators, comfort matters, since they may spend long hours navigating uneven terrain. Watching this machine roll steadily across the forest floor, we can truly appreciate how engineering makes logging more efficient, safer, and more sustainable. Now that our logs have left the forest, we arrive at the sawmill. Here, the Tractor Miore SDH450 circular saw line takes over. This machine represents the transformation point where raw logs become valuable lumber. The SDH450 is designed for primary breakdown, cutting logs into boards with speed and precision. Unlike smaller saws, this industrial circular saw can handle large volumes of wood, making it ideal for commercial lumber production. Notice how the log is positioned on the carriage, secured, and then advanced toward the spinning blades. Each cut is calculated, maximizing yield while ensuring uniform dimensions. What makes this machine special is its efficiency. Traditional sawmilling often produced significant waste, slabs, offcuts, and sawdust. But modern machines like the Miore SDH450 are engineered to reduce waste, ensuring that as much of the log as possible is converted into usable product. The leftover byproducts, such as sawdust and chips, often feed into other industries, from biomass energy to particle board manufacturing. From an operator's perspective, the SDH450 offers automation and safety. Digital controls allow for quick adjustments to thickness and cutting speed. Enclosed cutting systems protect workers from debris, and conveyors move the sawn boards away for further processing. The result is a streamlined operation that boosts both productivity and worker safety. For viewers interested in the bigger picture, this step of the process links forestry to construction and woodworking industries. The boards produced here may end up as structural beams, flooring, cabinetry, or even musical instruments. Each product begins with precise cuts like the ones we're watching now. What's fascinating is the history behind this evolution. Just a century ago, much of sawmilling was manual, requiring teams of workers to maneuver logs and cut them with large, hand-driven saws. Today, one operator, with the help of a machine like the SDH450, can produce far more lumber in a fraction of the time, with consistent quality. As the SDH450 slices through logs, think about the unseen ripple effects. Truckers hauling lumber across states, builders framing homes, carpenters shaping furniture. All of it starts right here at machines like this one. Next, we see another marvel of sawmill engineering, the Miore vertical band Sawmill VTZ1400 Plus. If the SDH450 is about speed, the VTZ1400 Plus is about flexibility and precision. This sawmill uses a vertical band blade, which allows for very accurate cuts even on large diameter logs. The machine features a carriage that advances the log steadily through the blade, slicing it into boards with exceptional smoothness. Watch how the carriage moves back and forth, positioning each cut with exacting control. The advantage of a band sawmill lies in its thinner kerf, the width of the cut. Compared to circular saws, band saws waste less wood per cut, meaning more usable lumber from each log. For large-scale operations, this efficiency translates into higher profitability and better resource use. Another standout feature of the VTZ1400 Plus is speed. Despite its precision, it is engineered for rapid operation, capable of handling large logs quickly without sacrificing accuracy. Combined with automation and computerized settings, the sawmill can adjust cutting patterns to match customer orders, producing boards of varying thicknesses on demand. Safety and ergonomics are also central to its design. Operators work from protected stations, overseeing the process while the machinery handles the heavy labor. Conveyors remove cut boards and sawdust, maintaining a clean and efficient workflow. From an industry perspective, machines like the VTZ1400 Plus represent the cutting edge of sawmill technology. They enable small and medium-sized mills to compete globally by increasing throughput while maintaining quality. For everyday consumers, the impact is felt in the availability of consistent, high-quality lumber at lower cost. Whether it's the studs holding up your home, the flooring beneath your feet, or the furniture in your living room, chances are that somewhere in the chain, a bandsaw like this one played a part. As we watch this machine at work, it's clear that the journey we began in the forest has reached a new stage. Logs that were once towering trees are now neatly sawn boards, ready to move into industries that will shape them into the products of daily life. And so, we followed the journey of wood from forest to factory, from powerful harvesters like the Pon Cobra to hard-working forwarders like the Timberjack 810B, and finally through precision sawmills like the Miore SDH450 and VTZ1400 Plus. Each machine plays a vital role in transforming raw nature into useful, lasting products that support modern life. We hope this journey has given you a deeper appreciation for the forestry and woodworking industries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Machine Solutions for more fascinating looks at machinery in action.